Good morning, Savannah, GA. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we got my man Steve's 1967 Camaro SS, baby. And we're doing some work on it now. We got some metal patch panels in there that we replaced for Steve. I know you can see it back here on the back. We went ahead and put some metal in there for him. Some metal back on the back there for him. Now we're in the process of doing the refining on it. And you can see Steve ain't no slouch. Steve went ahead and had us pull the glass out of it. Get all of that looking nice and pretty. We're trying to get it all cleaned up in there. On this back piece back in here, we're doing a little bit of work. Now inside of here, somebody tried to build a little channel. And we went, because it was holding a lot of water. We went in and we grounded all of the rust and all of that stuff out. And instead of going back with metal, just to kind of help with the budget a little bit, we went back in and did the next best thing, which we glassed it. Went and ground all that rust out and then put some fiberglass resin and cloth in there. So that way, it'll waterproof it. Steve won't have no problems years down the road. And that's what we do at CIK Motorsports, www.cikmotorsports.com. You see my man Q back there doing his thing? See that? You hear him, right?
You gotta pay attention to that. Gotta get all them chips and all that out of there.
Yeah, see, Q would tell you, we want the car to look right. So we going back around the edges, making sure it ain't got no chips on it. We're going to pull this chrome off here, sand behind there, make sure all that's nice and smooth. All in the door jambs you can already see. Q and Booby and Jay and Sean and boys is going around the car with the magic touch. They're giving it that CIK love. Once again, www.cikmotorsports.com, or you can call us here at the shop, 912-335-1819. Now, I'm telling you, we're going back with a nice red on it, but he's going to go back with the rallies on it. And I might throw a little pearl in it, and if I can convince him, I'm going to try to get him to do like a Toyota medium red. It's a real nice metallic red, almost looks like a candy. And that's what I think we're going to try to go with on this 67 SS for Steve. But just stay tuned. I'm going to try to give it till about the end of this week, y'all. We're going to try to have some paint on this bad boy. Steve went ahead and got a whole bunch of new parts for it, and we're putting a whole bunch of work into it. I mean, and I'm telling you now, we really are, even inside of here, like, we're going to try to catch all those little areas, try to get as much of that scale and that rust and all of that roughness out as possible, so that way we can make it look right. So remember, bring your car to us, and we'll do it up and make it look like something. www.cikmotorsports.com or 912-335-1819. And remember, baby, it ain't custom till it's sick.